Hi everyone, Mike back with another video in our Tech Tips series. There isn't a day that goes by where our team is not asked, what are the benefits of Microsoft 365, or as some in the business world still call it, Microsoft Office 365. Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Office 365, whatever you call it, the Microsoft 365 solutions offer great benefits for large organizations right down to the small business solutions. Not only is Microsoft 365 full of great applications such as Outlook, Sharepoint, Teams, OneDrive, and about a few dozen more, here are some of the benefits your organization will experience when you make a move to Microsoft 365. You have the ability to work from anywhere, anytime, and on any device. Work from your office, your home, the coffee shop down the street, or the other side of the globe. Use your desktop, laptop, tablet, or smartphone and do it all in a highly secure manner. What you work on follows you. Yes, start a document on your desktop at the office and finish it at home. You're no longer tied to your desk. Your work follows you wherever you are. Get access to robust web applications. Love Outlook on your Windows desktop. You'll also get the same experience using Outlook's web version. There are many benefits to Microsoft 365. If you want to know more, get in touch with our team today and learn how your organization can see all the benefits of today's modern workplace built on the Microsoft 365 solution.